Okay, Roses, I gotta be honest with you about this. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne. Hey! And today I'm going to do a bit of a product review. I'm going to use the product a little bit, tell you my thoughts, at least my initial thoughts. First off, make sure you have subscribed to me. And again, I'm OlenaRosanne, so I'll give you a moment to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, great. Now that that's done, let's move forward. So today I'm going to be using this particular co-wash I received in an actual giveaway, Instagram giveaway. And this is the My DNA Hydrating CoWash Conditioning Cleanser. Now, I'm not sure you watched my previous video, or at least what I think will be the previous, depending on when this uploads. But I did go ahead and do an unboxing, and a couple of the first couple ingredients I wasn't too sure about. So in this particular ingredient, first ingredient, which I'm very glad for, is the aloe vera leaf juice. So I'm good with that. Second one is a cetyl alcohol, which is, you know, a conditioning agent. So you see it in a lot. So that's, you know, that's all right. The third ingredient, though, is trim. You know, with long ingredient names, if it's not really easy to say, sometimes they're not the best in ingredients, right? Behentrimonium. Okay, that's better. Chloride. Okay, so I did a little research, you know, on this because I wasn't too sure about it. And again, this is something that's found in a lot of conditioners, but it's also listed as being toxic at a certain amount. And you know me, toxic ingredients, do I really want to go there? No. It's irritant also. So you don't want to get in your eyes, and you may not even want to get, you know, have it touch your skin. But it is in a lot of hair products, cosmetics, things like that. So something to watch out for. Now, am I a fan of it? Will I use this product? I'm going to use it probably this once. I'm just keeping it real. It is a co-wash. You know, it has a lot of great oils and everything, but when, you know, when you have that in this particular ingredient, the first three ingredients, not a fan at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it. I have pre-poo to wash out of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and use it. I'll show you guys what it looks like on my hair. This is a co-wash. I don't plan for my hair and scalp to be totally washed with this at all, actually. So I'll probably, you know, later on during the week use an actual shampoo and deep condition like I normally do each week. I'm using this for y'all so you can see what it does with my hair, and what it feels like, things like that. Okay, so to show you guys again what it looks like in the inside, I did show this during the unboxing. So I have a big giant jar of creamy product. In fact, it is creamy. And when I say big giant jar, this is a 16 ounce. I do thank My DNA for the giveaway prize. I am grateful for that. It's just, you know, this just might be the only time I use it. So let me go ahead and get into it, okay? Okay, so anyway, my hair is wet with just water. Hydrating CoWash for natural hair textures, removes product buildup and residue without stripping the hair completely of natural oils and moisture. This sulfate-free product rids the scalp of excess oil, sebum, and environmental impurities between regular shampooing. This co-wash contains many natural ingredients that provide beneficial functions in the hair. Aloe vera juice, tamanu seed oil for moisturizing and soothing, jojoba seed oil to help unclog the hair follicles, monoi di Tahiti, and coconut oil to provide additional moisture and softening for each hair strand, and rosemary, coconut oil, keratin to strengthen each strand, helping to prevent excessive hair loss. Directions: wet the hair, apply a generous amount of Hydrating CoWash to hair and scalp, work the product through the hair as you massage the scalp, use a wide tooth comb to help. Okay, so honestly, you guys, me rubbing this on my scalp, I really don't know what it's going to do for my scalp. It sure is not going to clean it, in my opinion. Is it going to clean my hair? In my opinion, no. There we go. It's nice and smooth. You can definitely feel the oils in it, but my opinion, all I think I'm going to be doing is just coating my strands. So it does smooth onto the hair nicely. I believe it will help with detangling because of the ingredients. Hey, you see how that looks? Gently detangle the hair, rinse well, repeat process a second time, leaving co-wash on the hair for 3 to 5 minutes as a conditioning step. Rinse well, towel blot. Proceed in style. Note: for additional moisture and manageability, use My DNA leave-in conditioner and detangler. Now, because of the third ingredient, you really do want to be careful not to get this in your eyes. And as you can see, it is in fact detangling my hair, you guys. See that? And this is normal for me. Now I'm going to finish doing this and wash it out of my hair and let y'all see what my hair looks once it is washed out. Okay, y'all, so I've just washed this out. I only did it one time because I'm not looking for it for the conditioning properties. I'm looking for it for whether it's actually going to wash my hair and scalp. So we did one wash. My hair is nice and soft. And I didn't doubt that at all because of all the oils and all the conditioning ingredients in it. So super soft. Now my scalp looks okay. Do I really think it's really clean? No. I feel like basically I just wash my hair with conditioner. I'm keeping it real. And that's it. So, if you're looking to fight frizz, this will help with frizz. As it actually claims in here, it will help with conditioning, but as far as washing and removing buildup, no, I don't agree with those claims. So here you go. This is my hair. It is nice and soft. It may look great, but in my opinion, it is not clean. Let me know, have you used this product or any other products from My DNA? I actually have used other products from My DNA, and it's listed a way back in my list of videos. If I can find the links, I'll list it in the description box, or I'll put the little eye thing up there for you to click on it. Yeah, so there are some products I've used from this particular company that I did have great results from. Actually, there was a twist out I received wonderful results from. So I'll see if I can link that into this particular video. But let me know if you've used this co-wash before. Let me know your feelings on co-washes in general. Let me know if there are any co-washes you use right now that you believe you're getting some cleansing from. Make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell. And I will talk to you roses later. Bye.